Welcome back to Bike Reviews Pro, your trusted source for in-depth motorcycle reviews. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT, a touring machine that redefines long-distance luxury and performance. Honda's Goldwing lineup has always stood at the pinnacle of grand touring motorcycles, and the GCT edition takes it a step further. Design and styling, a modern classic. The 2025 Goldwing GCT maintains the unmistakable silhouette of the Goldwing, but introduces sharper lines and subtle aerodynamic refinements. Honda has introduced new color schemes with matte finishes and premium detailing, giving it an upscale presence on the road. Integrated LED lighting and a redesigned front fairing improve both visibility and aesthetics, while a lower center of gravity enhances handling without sacrificing comfort. Engine and performance, smooth power, smarter ride. At the heart of the GCT is Honda's signature 1833 cubic centimeters a flat-six engine, delivering smooth, torque-rich performance. For 2025, the engine is refined for better fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, while retaining its power delivery and whisper-quiet operation. Paired with Honda's latest dual-clutch transmission, DCT, the ride is seamless whether you're cruising through mountain passes or navigating urban streets. Technology, touring intelligence. The Goldwing GCT is packed with advanced tech. A larger, high-resolution TFT display now supports improved smartphone integration, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and real-time navigation updates. The Goldwing's adaptive cruise control and radar-assisted collision warning system make long rides safer and less fatiguing. Plus, the smart suspension system automatically adjusts based on road conditions and load weight. Comfort and convenience. Luxury on two wheels. Touring is all about comfort, and the 2025 GCT delivers. Heated seats and grips, an electronically adjustable windscreen, and improved air deflection panels create a personalized microclimate for both rider and passenger. The upgraded audio system offers crystal-clear sound, even at highway speeds. Add to that expanded storage capacity and keyless ignition, and you've got a bike that's ready for coast-to-coast journeys. Final thoughts. A Goldwing for the new era. The 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT isn't just a motorcycle. It's a mobile sanctuary for riders who demand the best in comfort, performance, and technology. Honda has once again raised the bar in the touring segment, blending tradition with innovation in a way only the Goldwing can. Thanks for watching Bike Reviews Pro. Be sure to subscribe for more detailed reviews, and let us know in the comments. Is the 2025 Goldwing GCT your dream touring bike?